So we had more complex equations in this chapter that we have no really hope of solving unless we had a little more tools to work with. Okay. So basically, anytime that you see that we have like an x squared, we're going to have to do a little bit of extra work to solve it. So watch what I have to do. The very first step in any of these problems, I got to get one side equal to 0 because that's just going to allow me to do things that I couldn't otherwise if it wasn't equal to 0. And I'll show you what that is in a minute. So I clear up this side by, if it's 5x, subtract 5x, minus 30, add 30. And so what I get is x squared plus 11x plus 24, and that's going to equal 0. So now that it's equal to 0, now I can do my work. I'm solving this by factoring, so if I factor this, I need things that multiply to 24 and add up to 11. The two numbers that do that are 8 and 3. So this is really x plus 3 times x plus 8, and that'll equal 0. So if I have two things that multiply together to equal 0, I have two cases. The only way that two things that multiply together equals 0 is if the first one equals 0, or perhaps the second one equals 0. It's okay because we're looking for two solutions to this problem. So we're going to subtract 3, and I'll get x equals negative 3 as my first solution. Subtract 8, and I'll get x equals a negative 8 as my second solution.